DJ MTV. DJ MTV. Welcome to DJ MTV News Update for the week. I am Umar Latifa. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJ MTV and also click on the notification bell for more superb videos. DJ MTV.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you watch this broadcast from. Now, me, Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, aka No Shaking, the Apostle of Toka Masibi. I did for a motor housing estate now, where our governor they build for Obaha area. So I did it now. They're saying that seeing is believing. Hello, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I've seen the signboard there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. All right, yeah. So my people, sorry for that break. So this one, a motor accident stage where our amiable governor, Godwin Obaseki, they built for this side. They say there's difference between picture and video. So are they in a live and direct? Live and direct. This one not be picture. This one not be Photoshop. Oh. This one live and direct. So this one are the great work with the governor they do for Bobaha Ward 8. We could share more, see all the project, see all the project. We could just they share this broadcast. We could see the wonderful work when they go on here. The truth be say, I share for picture. Now say me I don't believe in picture. Me I want go there, go video and face to face. Seeing is believing. See now. My people we could share more. This one a motor garden estate where our governor they do. Make una see am. Make una see am. Massive work is going on here. So this is the reason why some of us want make this man come back for the second time. So that this work when it go fit finish am. Make una see muna see fine structure here, muna see work. Make una see work. But some people say they never see one thing where this governor don't do. Make una see am. Make una just see projects. Work they go on, steady. Work they go on. Make una see. Nado, make una see work. Muna see work. Massive work is going. Some people say they don't see what the governor don't do. Muna see this one at the motor housing estate where our governor they put for grant. See how it's everywhere. See everywhere. My Jehovah Jireh. Hey, we no work here with women and the mind. Oh, son no good one. Well, why go state in the governor program? He just why dog me? Why dog me? Why dog me? Why dog me? Me na go do one hour wait yana. A motor has in estate in a queue, the governor bo. Why dog me? If I near we am taking the governor for 3 years. Why dog? Oh, a motor has in estate the governor bo here. Why dog me? This is a layout. This is a road layout. Make una just share am. Make una just share this broadcast. But muna just share am. Muna see the wonderful work when they go on for year. Muna just see. Some people say they don't want this man to come back. Some of us say he must come back. So that this work when it don't start, it go fit finish am. Isaiah life and direct. This will be Photoshop. Oh, muna see project they go on here. Make una see am. What do they? This is the reason why we want Obaseki to come back for the second time. So that we fit complete this work. Are they here now? Are they a motor garden now? Are they a motor garden estate now? Muna come see for ourselves. This is the layout. Muna come see. I be Muna you share the broadcast. Muna you share them. Make una see you sir Wadoga State. So in another working man, everyone, here governor wa ngina here man. Waka on a Photoshop, this one not be Photoshop. This one are live and direct. Me I dey live and direct. Talk am as it be. Our time we no share. What do go? The governor Bokian everywhere ma dege. Here ma dege o. Danyaro wa o. What do ge? If God no share this money, I want to finish all the project. If they share this money, I want to finish the project. When I see massive project they go on here, no one can see. Me I there motor garden estate now, live and direct. This will not be Facebook matter. This will not be Photoshop. Oh, this one are live. My people want to see things on ourselves. Make una dey see things on ourselves. Talk am as it be. Our time we no share. You are manana. You are motor housing estate. Work in when the governor. So we are campaigning for a good governor. We are campaigning for good governor. Good governor, person that will deliver the dividend of democracy. Yeah, so this is not we. This is what we have. And we. This is the time of we have, and we will complete. On a simple agenda. This one is agenda fulfilled. This one not be simple agenda. This one agenda fulfilled. This one not be say we. This is what we have. This is what we have on ground, and the reason why we need to complete it. When I get a share broadcast, I dey for a motor housing estate now where the governor they put for grant. Make una come see work, my people. So this is the reason why most of us they campaign for this man, so that they go fit come back for second term to complete all these projects. If not before all the unnecessary distraction, therefore don't go far. I gotta go. Mona the CEO. This will not be simple agenda. This is agenda fulfilled. This will not be say we will. This is I have. Mona say I dey here. Mona come see. Mona come see things. My people, Mona come see. Sin is believing. Sin is believing. Yes, so wa dege ujaji o ina kina. Uga dege ujaji. If I so we am dege, they say they don't they see. When I come see, when I share the broadcast, make all those people you know they see me, they say aware. If they share this money, how do they finish the work? When I see I did for a motor housing estate that life and direct. See Caterpillar, they walk on the road. No, when I come see them. Despite the distraction, bring them out to come. All right, on. Despite the distraction, when I see work, they go on for this place. When I share that. And the manager comes and they show everything for television. Make una see am. I dey for a motor and housing estate now. When I see the wonderful work when they go for this on a massive road. Then they open up all the area. My people, this is the reason why we want make Obaseki come back for the second term to finish this project. When I see am, when I come see things for ourselves. When I come see Caterpillar everywhere, they walk on the road. Obaseki 4+4 Ogbane. 4+4 Ogbane. Wahage. 4+4 Ogbane. Ima mwem Obaseki yun. Obaseki matter, we put out for our head, not before shoulder. Mona see road, that they walk inside the estate. Mona they share the broadcast, Mona see things for ourselves. Mona they look. Mona see wonderful project. So this one and the housing project. I know how many have building inside here. Now see building where full inside where the government don't finish. Mona come look. Mona see things for ourselves. Tell me why they fight this man. Tell me why they are fighting this man. Mona say, tell me why they fight this man. Where they do good for us for Benin. Why get your man on when I do? My go home. My when I get when I also when I get okay, I wait for 8 years. Okay, Agba or if Ogbane. 8 years Igbane. Walking winner, no Obaseki. Yeah, woman winner. Walking winner. 4+4 Ogbane. Walking. So this is the reason why we want Obaseki to come back for second time to complete the project he has started. This project can never be abandoned. Never. My people, when I may ask them, if they share this money, how they want to, bro, Alpha, hold on. If they share this money, how they want to finish this work? When I see work, I did for I dey for a motor garden now. If they share this money, I want to work. Some people say they give them a contract with qualification they get. So I dey here now. Some people say Apostle leave politics. What do you mean? What do you mean? You know what they call politics? I am God himself is a politician. See, when the righteous is on the throne, the people rejoice. So we have seen one righteous man that is working for us in the door. Mona see work. People great that they are working. Work is going. Mona see them. They are working on the road. Mona see. Work they go on. 4+4. Banner. No one fear, no fear. Mona they share. Mona just share the broadcast. Mona see work where the governor they do. Mona see everywhere open. Everywhere open. If you share this money, how they want to work? How they want to work? I don't know why we Benin there. We know some Benin people don't like good things. Some of them don't like good things. Mona see work. See massive work they go on. I there for a motor garden now. Mona see work where they go on for here. God bless governor. I don't need to know governor before I stand for the truth. Never. I don't need to know him before I stand for the truth. Never. Never. When I hear the sound, when I see work, when I hear the sharing broadcast, when I hear the sharing, make people see, make the whole world see the work where Obaseki they do for you, where some people say they don't see. This one is a motor housing estate for Ikpobaha, Munasia. A motor housing estate for Ikpobaha where Governor Obaseki they build. Munasia, despite the distraction, this man see the walk. Mona see the road, everything. The governor have our support. Yeah, so Mona see work they go on for here. 24/7 they are working. This one not be Photoshop. This one is live and direct. We don't believe in Photoshop. This is live. Live and direct. I dey for a motor now. I dey for a motor housing estate. Mona look at. This will not be Photoshop, live and direct. When I just share the broadcast, when I share, make people see. John, they say they don't see anything where the governor don't do for 3.5 years. They could not see. This one the housing estate. When I see everywhere. 4+4 Ogbane. This is the reason why we want to make this man come back for second term. That's the reason why some of us they advocate for good governance. We know they advocate for any political party at all. Good governor. Now we want. We need a progressive mind. And Obaseki is a progressive man. Make una say he's a progressive man. He's a man building for the generation yet unborn. He not a build for now. He not a build for stomach infrastructure. Politicians only believe in the now, neglecting the future. But Obaseki is a technocrat who is building for the future, making people to suffer now. We love it. Muna say. My people wanna say, who don't like better thing? My people who don't like better thing. So that's what it be. My name is Sirimi Apostle. Oyinosa, aka No Shaking. The apostle of Tokam as it be. Me, I did for a motor garden right now for Ikpobaha. Trying to show to the whole world a wonderful project where our governor don't put for ground when they do for year. Make gonna share everywhere. So everybody we go must make sure say Obaseki come back for second term to complete this project. Because if anything happen, this project will be abandoned. And we don't want time at all. So if you don't already see, what you have your boy Obaseki Yeke. So that he will not get swena. No me I will dolefo. And come nowhere. Here I couldn't finishing when I not swear. O salobo here fin wearing. Ekoboko here have a koboko. Here arriba koboko. Wage. So we are not digging on the power here. Wage winner. Merema. So we'll keep showing to the whole world the wonderful project that is going on here. This one outside the gate. Pardon, sir. Who else, sir? So 4+4. Ogbane. When I say this one the front view. When I say everywhere. The man is working. Because your pastor cannot they make noise. The teacher know they work. So I go say, pastor, what you concern apostle, concern politics. When I forget, say God, he said a politician. He said when the righteous are on the throne, the people rejoice. So there is a man working already and the people are rejoicing. And you want to stand against it, you don't go walk. So Obaseki 4+4 Ogbane. Make una dey share am. They say they want to see the broadcast. They say they want to say anything. But I say, very soon they go tie the main road when they come here. This one a motor housing estate. I dey here live and direct. This one not be fake. This one not be Photoshop. But I say, oh, this one not be Photoshop. So this one a motor housing estate for Ikpobaka. God bless all of una. When until they join this broadcast. So my name is Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. This is my real face. I am standing for the truth. I will continue to stand for the truth. I don't need to know Obaseki before I stand for him. And I don't need money from anybody to stand for the truth. I don't need money from anybody to stand for the truth. I will continue to stand for the truth, defend the truth with the whole of my life. So that is it. So as an apostle of truth, my duty is to release truth to the people all over the world so they can see what the governor has put on ground. I will need to give him another 4 years to complete this massive project. As they work for you, I say they work for everywhere for it though. Make you not worry. I will visit on the site. They give you an update of the work with the governor they do. Oh yeah, make you go me see that soundboard. So make you see things. So man, they see work where they going for here. So my people, we go must support this man. But go must check that soundboard. So my people, now me, so me I take it upon myself to make sure say everybody see the good work where the governor don't they do for Ikpobaka. This one are the motor housing estate. So now so it be una do when I don't share the broadcast so that the people they know they see. May they begin to see massive project. I beg, make everybody move with join together to support this man so that in the next 4 years he could take complete this project. We know I made they abandon this project and they abandon the Jacob Mountain Estate. Where we say all the politicians they can't share for themselves with doing like Igbeneghu regime. We know I made this one happen again. If we say yeah, we will join the people when he said those hands for Jacob Mountain Estate. When I ask him the role when he play for Jacob Mountain Estate and those kind of things, we know I make it happen for year again. So my people, now so it be. We will continue to stand for the truth. So that's so it be. More than the share them. This one are the good work where the governor don't do for Ikpobaka. That is it. Una do well. 4+4 Ogbane. 4+4 Ogbane. Those of una we never know say don't decamp. It don't decamp to PDP now. So on the day of election, I no go see Obaseki face. Now PDP umbrella now I go see. When I put her for umbrella because we want a man that have started a good work to finish it without looking back. So all of us we must support this man to fulfill this mandate. We know one simple agenda. We know what we We know what we. What do we hear? What do we hear now? We have. So that's why I can show now what the governor don't do. Una do well, when I share the broadcast. My name is man, Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, the man standing for the truth. And I will continue to stand for the truth. God bless you now. I will see you now later in the evening. As God open my eyes, I will reveal a lot of secrets. When I do well, God bless all of you now. Thank God for everything. This one a pioneer school. This one a pioneer school, very big school for you. This one a very big school. Another very big school. So that's so it be. When I do well, this road now, the one who tie and so they don't mark already. The one tie and so they don't mark already. That's so it be. PDP, that's it. Power to the people. If we the other way wedding. Most see the sample for 550 there. So my people, when I get a sharing broadcast. So I beg. This one are the reason why me and the support of Obaseki for second term agenda. Yes, sin is believing. Not be to talk for much. I believe in evidence, not be Photoshop. That's why I come here, come show now the video. So I beg, make we join hands together to make sure Obaseki come back for second term so that I go feel complete this big project where they go on for this place. Una do well, my people. 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane, Owa Tape, 4+4 Ogbane, Owa Tape, 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane. Make we see this soundboard whether so that okay, this one at the rubber research area. No wahala. So my people, now so bio, God go bless all of you now. We go see you now in the evening. Muna remember now September 19. So, una do well. God bless all of you now. Una bye-bye.
DJ MTV.